Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best LEGO Movie 2 is probably one of the most vibrant and creative LEGO games to date, bringing the beloved characters and humor of the movie to life. This game offers a delightful blend of action, puzzle solving, and exploration, set in a colorful and imaginative world. Whether you're a fan of the movies or a seasoned gamer, the LEGO Movie 2 promises hours of fun and engaging gameplay for players of all ages. Number 5. LEGO Star Wars The Razor Crest 75292. Get ready to explore the galaxy with this detailed LEGO brick model. It's the Razor Crest starship from the Star Wars, The Mandalorian series. This set is perfect for any Star Wars fan. This set includes 4 LEGO Star Wars minifigures, The Mandalorian, Greef Karga, Scout Trooper and the Child, also known as Baby Yoda. Plus, there's an IG-11 droid figure. You can recreate your favorite scenes with all the characters. The Razor Crest features a dual minifigure cockpit and 2 spring-loaded shooters. It also has a detachable escape pod. You'll find opening side boarding ramps for easy access. Inside the cargo hold, you'll find carbonite bounty elements and a sleeping area. This set allows you to relive the Mandalorian and the Child's battles. It's an amazing set for imaginative play. This LEGO Star Wars collectibles set makes a great gift. It's perfect for birthdays or any special occasion. It's designed for boys and girls aged 10 and up. What we like. This set offers an incredibly detailed model of the Razor Crest, perfect for display or play. It also includes the beloved Baby Yoda, making it a must-have for fans. If you are a Star Wars fan looking to recreate iconic scenes from The Mandalorian, this set is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The build is ingenious, the cockpit and the engines being particularly well done and exciting to consider in building and viewing. The set comes with some wonderfully realized minifigs to carry out your own Star Wars stories with. The ship itself is very sturdy and very detailed for its size. It's like a mini UCS set, making it a great display for adults. It's also still awesome as a toy. The spring-loaded shooters work and are discreetly located. The interior is very functional with space for Mando to sleep, a roomy 2-seat cockpit, storage for 3 extra missiles, a little play space, 2 slots for the captured bounties, 2 stickered carbonite pieces included, plus an area to store extra weapons behind the cockpit. Number 4. LEGO Super Mario NES 71374 Building Set. This set lets you build a classic NES console and a retro TV. It's a fun way to bring back memories of the original Super Mario Bros. Game. The set recreates the NES console with amazing detail, including a controller and a game pack slot. You can almost hear the classic 8-bit music. The TV has a scrolling screen that you can operate. When you put the Mario figure on top, it reacts to what's happening on the screen. To activate the interactive features, you'll need the LEGO Mario figure from the Adventure Starter Course. Together, they create an amazing experience. The buildable TV and NES make a great display piece. It's over 8 inches tall, 9 inches wide, and 6 inches deep, perfect for any fan. The set includes an illustrated booklet with easy-to-follow instructions. It's a fun and creative activity for adults. What we like. This set lets you build an interactive NES console and a classic Super Mario Bros. Game. The scrolling screen and the ability to interact with the LEGO Mario figure provide a unique experience. If you are a fan of classic video games and enjoy building, this set will bring back nostalgic memories. What people say. I found it very impressive that they had all the moving picture pieces so well coordinated, and I also enjoyed that they made it compatible with the LEGO Mario Bluetooth character, so that while the television was cranking through, he would make the appropriate sounds that went with what the screen was portraying. Every element of the process had some element of fun, and it took us a full day to complete it. Both the NES and TV are very fun to play with and have moving parts. Number 3. LEGO Mos Eisley Cantina Set. Create your own Mos Eisley Cantina with this amazing LEGO set. It includes a removable roof for easy access and 2 attachable buildings. Bring Tatooine's tavern scenes to life with 21 figurines. The set includes Chewbacca, Obi-Wan Kenobi, and many more. Recreate classic scenes from Star Wars, A New Hope. This set features heroes, smugglers, bounty hunters, and alien LEGO minifigures. When opened up, the Cantina measures over 20.5 inches wide. It's a great intergalactic display piece for adult fans. This building kit provides a hands-on DIY project. It's a wonderful gift for all Star Wars fans to help escape the stresses of everyday life. The set includes easy-to-follow instructions. Even LEGO newcomers can build confidently, plus an illustrated booklet about the set and movies. What we like. This set allows you to build the iconic Mos Eisley Cantina with multiple buildings and a large number of minifigures. It is perfect for recreating classic scenes from Star Wars: A New Hope. If you like to collect Star Wars figures and enjoy building, this set is perfect for you. What people say. With an impressive 3,187 piece count, every detail has been meticulously crafted to perfection. From the intricate interior to the diverse array of minifigures found in each bag, every aspect is a nod to the original movie. Great collection of minifigures and the looks awesome. Number 2. LEGO Summer Vibes 41937 DIY Craft Kit. This exciting kit is designed to inspire a child's creativity. It boosts their confidence as they apply their design skills to different, fun items. Kids can expand their self-expression skills. They can decorate the different items in the kit, following the included pattern ideas or creating their own unique designs. The kit includes an adjustable light blue bracelet, a lion bag tag, a picture frame, and a cactus pencil holder. It also comes with lots of colorful tiles for endless customization. If your kid has a passion for arts and crafts, they will love this kit. The customizable pieces and fun colors make it a perfect creative gift for boys and girls aged 6 and up. With the cactus measuring over 5 inches high, this exciting DIY creative kit lets young designers practice their creations repeatedly. It's a fun and functional way to express themselves. What we like. This kit allows kids to express their creativity by decorating various items. The customizable pieces and fun colors make it a perfect creative gift. If you have a child who loves arts and crafts and enjoys personalizing their belongings, this set is a great choice. What people say. Perfect gift for any kid. I bought several. All pieces present, independent activity, well made. Cute set and really like the package that it comes in. Can keep the Legos organized. Bought 2 of these in advance as Christmas presents. Worked out great. It was fun to build and had 4 different items at the end to play with. The pencil holder is sure been used. Number 1. LEGO Movie 2 Video Game, PlayStation 4. Get ready to blast off. This game takes you on an epic adventure through the cosmos. You'll explore amazing new worlds. Explore a galaxy of exciting planets and environments. It's filled with challenges and secrets waiting to be uncovered. Unleash your inner master builder. You can build and rebuild to solve puzzles and progress through the game. It's all about creativity and fun. Experience the LEGO Movie 2 video game on your PlayStation 4. The game brings the fun of the movie to your console. Get ready for hours of entertainment. Join Emmett, Lucy, and the gang in an all-new adventure. This game is packed with action, humor, and the signature LEGO charm. You won't want to miss it. What we like. This game allows you to journey into outer space and discover new worlds. You can test your master building skills. If you are looking for a fun and engaging game to play, this one is perfect for you. What people say. This game has so many characters, collectibles, and minifigure excess prices that you can collect and use. The missions are very exciting and interactive. Open world play is made available much more quickly and easily compared to other LEGO games. There are hundreds of characters, vehicles, buildings, items, weapons, superpower items to unlock. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.